Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're doing a little PR unboxing. I got 4 boxes here, mostly beauty products. I think actually all beauty products. They're just different items that I received that aren't really one unboxing video on their own. Our first item is from Selly again. They have an Amazon store where they do like K-beauty and stuff like that. This is their sheet mask set. So there are 12. This is the Glam Up sheet mask set. I'm going to link to each of the products in this video below if you're interested. So there's 12 in here. I'm going to actually do a full review. So if you're interested in seeing all of these, check that out when I post it. Like right here on the top, it's a brightening lemon sheet mask. I mean, there's like, look at all of them. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, so exciting. All right. Next we have I think this is from, who is this from? Don't know. Oh, Sky Organics. Okay, so Sky Organics is, I know a couple of you have posted your own opinions on them, is an all-natural company that sells things to make your own essential oils. They do have their own bath bombs. They have just tons and tons of products. So when you open the box, it says here, it takes 2 to mango. Hi Ashley, meet our mango butter, our go-to summer moisturizer. Hope you love it. So this is just a moisturizer, and it's mango butter. I do have something, I may have some of their mango butter. I'm not sure. I'll have to find it. I keep all their products together so that if I want to make my own product, like my own DIY product, they do sell DIY kits that you can, there we go. Oh yeah, it's super thick, like a barrier. They have their own DIY kits that you can make your own like hair products and facial masks. And they also do have their bubble box, which is a monthly bath bomb subscription box. So this is their mango butter. I'll be doing a full review of that. And then we've got some items from Derma E. I don't know what's in this month's box. Last month they sent they put like the address was like somewhere in like Arizona, but they still got like they still got it right. Like it still got to me, it just got to me a little late. Always better together. So we're getting the vitamin C micellar cleansing water. Ooh, with probiotics and Robust. So that's exciting. I love micellar water. And also an overnight peel with AHAs, which is lactic acid, I think. Exfoliant facial peel. Let's see here what it tells us. Triglycolic acid, caprylic, triglyceride. We're going to have to try this out. I'm actually excited. I want to try this. Ooh. All right. So, because they make all natural, ethically sourced, fair trade, organic, vegan, cruelty-free, just fantastic and effective, I should say, skincare products. Just very, very, very good. I love them. I'll be doing full reviews of those as well. Now, finally, we have, this is from 0.8 Al. This is, I think, a collagen cream, I want to say. All right, so we have, here it is. It is the EUI Laboratory Evening Primrose Time Reversal Rich Collagen Cream. Ooh, look at the fancy box. I love it. This is a full size. 1.68 fluid ounces. Look at even the inside of the box is floral. How gorgeous. I love it. Ooh, I wonder what it smells like. This is a French product. It says it was made in France. Ooh, it smells good. It doesn't smell like rose, I wouldn't say, but oh, I just got it on the thing. It has like a clean smell. Ooh. It's just a very lightweight like moisturizer, but it's enriched with collagen to supplify the face. I'm actually excited to try this out. I could use a little bit of that in my life. So that is everything that I got in PR this past couple weeks. If you're interested in the full reviews, they'll be coming up shortly. If you are interested in checking out any of these products, I will link to them below as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!